Draw
Now,
bread.
yeah, what is that?
It's a bread. There's a bread.
Okay.
Bread.
Okay, I want you to prepare your paper, your
Got my paper.
watercolor, and as usual, marker. I have so many markers like this on my table. Okay, we're going to draw people in what?
In a what?
Yeah, in the museum. Yeah, inside the what? Oh my.
Okay, I'm just going to make people in the ice cream store.
Okay, before we start, we're going to watch some movie first. Where's the movie? Oh, not the movie. I mean like, what do you call it?
Stop.
The illustration.
Since when did I say movies to the movies?
Wait.
Choose the newspaper from my drawing last week. Can I use the back?
Yeah, of course. Wait. Where is my Okay, now I want you to watch first. This is the situation inside the museum. Then your job now is to record everything, and then suddenly you have to grab all the object into your paper. All right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is the movie of the.
I am doomed. I am doomed.
That. Okay, Alithia, what did you see? A crowd, right? Of people inside the building, right?
I see people. They're at the mall museum. That's a museum mall. Is that in a museum?
I think yeah, this one is in Italy, I think. Yeah, if you inside Louvre Museum, Paris, Mona Lisa, France. This one is on nearby the Leaning Tower.
Wow. Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, Ruth.
I want to say that I have pretend that I went to Disney World.
Wow, yeah.
She tricked me.
Okay, now.
Never did she go to Disney World.
Yeah, did you see that? Can you see that?
Sorry.
All right.
What does that say?
Yeah, the cam is now moving and then trying to expose some of the spot in the museum. If you can see that, there's
so many people.
Yeah, a dog.
Coronavirus! Warning!
This one is actually I mean, where is it? They record this maybe before the coronavirus, so don't worry. This one is like a documentation video. See that people are crossing each other. They are going there. And
I already can do a script.
Vice versa, like there's Mona Lisa there on the left side, right? Can you see that?
I can do
Yeah. Now they're to another place. Okay, now we're going to do that too.
No.
My hand. Where is everybody?
All right.
Let's go make a museum.
Okay.
What happened?
All right, let's start to draw some people, yeah? We're going to draw people at the top.
Mr. Wait! At the background.
Yeah?
What's that?
The background.
What?
What is that background?
Background. Hey, look, they are strapping the cotton candy.
All right, guys, are you ready? Come on.
I'm ready.
I was born ready on you.
Okay, if you're ready, please stop talking. Then we have to start doing our things. Yeah, wait, where is the picture? Where is it? Wait. I need to keep
I'm already drawing a table. They will see this table because there's so many interesting things.
Yeah, we're going to draw something related with the people inside the building or inside the museum. Yeah, something.
Actually, I'm just going to make people's in
what?
Ice cream store.
Okay, can be. It can be as long as the people are gathered inside the museum, inside the building. It can be in the mall. It can be in the museum. It can be in the.
Any crowded place?
Yeah.
I get in a supermarket.
Yeah, it can be in the supermarket also. So I want you to be.
I'm gonna make it at the moon.
Okay, but first, okay, can we start now? First, you have to draw in the front, yeah? Use the front side as drawing the people, okay? I want you to draw the...
We drew this before. We drew a crowd like this before.
Yeah, but the theme is different, right? Last time we're talking about the people inside the, maybe in the crowd, like in the station, something like that.
This is not people in crowd.
Okay, as usual, draw the U letter first. I want you to be creative to put some hat if you want it.
Why his eyes is so giant?
Like that. Okay. Some of them are using cowboy hat.
Let's go.
Yeah, I think most of you already know how to draw people, right? This one is...
Yeah, you know how to draw 100 million people.
Oh, this one is using headphone. They are listening some music.
This guy is super fast.
Ivo, I want you to be serious, okay? It's okay to make jokes, but the result, the quality must be there. Your drawing must be good, not just only sketching, and doing some monkey job, like spitting a lot, but you do not really perform well in your drawing. I want you, yeah, it's okay. Mr. Us like to make a joke, but remember, when you're working, when you're drawing, I want the quality, okay? If your drawing are not good, I will be so strict to just want to read the paper, okay? I want you to be very, very serious when you are drawing because your mommy asking you to join this program, not to make a joke every time, every day, but you have to work properly also, okay? All right.
Why is the chair like it's floating?
What?
Why is the chair like it's floating and then the boy is not sitting on it?
Can I see your drawing, please, first, Ivo? I want to see that first.
Chair is floating.
Ivo, you're not doing it well. You're not doing it well. Mr. Al is so sad. Okay, I want you to use a new paper and draw it very nicely. Okay, please, Ivo.
Let me just pick a new paper.
Okay, everybody, don't wasting your time. Come on, start to draw people in action. They can be wearing a headphone. They can be like jumping, or they was doing some fun activities with their friend. Okay, they can be like wearing eyeglasses, right? Now I really need your imagination to work on it, and then I'm going to stop sharing so that you can get your own imagination. Okay, Devanka, can you show your drawing first, please? I want to see that, your sketches, yeah? Okay, cool. Now draw it. Be creative with the hat, with the eyeglasses and everything. Ruth, can you show me, please?
This is not going well.
Wait. I'm going to add them to you. Okay, cool. Yeah, Ruth, like that. Okay, come on, Ruth, be creative. All right, I'm sorry that there is a time for us to make a joke. There is a time for us to really, really working seriously because I don't really want to wasting our time to just only listening some practical joke, which is not really helpful in our drawing, yeah? Okay, Mr. I will try to decorate.
Oh, we do after that.
Okay,
Yeah,
we're going to draw people's crowd inside the building. Yeah, it can be in the mall, it can be inside the museum, it can be.
The people are celebrating at the ice cream store.
Yeah, I can. But yeah, Ivo, I'm really concerned about your drawing. I want you to follow us, please. Draw the U letter first like this, or else if you do not follow us, your drawing will be lost somewhere then. You will be the one who left behind. A lot of your friends already know how to draw people, but if you do it not in the serious way, you're just wasting your time, just to be honest. I don't want to see some of my students just wasting time. If you want to wasting time, just go outside and do something silly on the playground, something like that. Okay, but today, I mean, now you have to study hard. Mr. I will always like to see your quality, your drawing, your, yeah. If you don't know what to do, just ask, okay? Not just only doing something as you want, no. You have to follow the rules also in terms of drawing the people properly. I don't want to see your drawing looks really silly because this one is your week 4. It means week 4 you have to have your progress. Okay. Don't forget to draw people with the backpack because some of them are maybe at maybe they are at their journey to go somewhere. And then don't forget also to draw the hands and the leg longer, yeah? Ruth and Alithia, you guys have been learning about how to draw people since long time ago with Mr. Al. So this time I really intend to make this class really serious because last time I don't really feel happy if I saw or I see some drawing are not really good. This is not our new class. This is we already faced the class at least like 4 weeks. Remember to draw the people's body a little bit longer, yeah?
I want to show you something.
Yes, go. Go.
My mom ever made people in action and she did it very well. But there is a tiny bit accident.
What is that?
And I don't know where the picture is.
Okay, it's okay. Right, it's okay if your drawing is not really good, but at least you try it. And I want to see the progress, and the progress has to be very good because this not your first time drawing. It means that you have to show your good progress, not just only doing some uh, something which is only wasting our time.
Mr. Al,
Yeah,
I'm gonna ask a question to you.
yeah. What is that?
Why do we train?
What? Sorry.
Why do we train?
Why did you guys train to draw something?
Why do we train?
Yeah, you mean train, right? TRINED, train, to draw something like this.
Yes, train.
Yeah, because we always having a we always focus on the goal. If you join in some classes like math or science or art even, you need to think about the goal, the progress. You have to create something which is need to be meeting the goal. I mean, yeah, you train to be good in drawing. Your mommy asking Mr. Al to make you guys to be able to draw something, random things with a nice way. So that's why this is not only like a joke class. This is really serious. Even my daughter, Devanka, is also having a goal. You have to be able to draw random people or people in the crowd with a nice joke like that. Yeah.
I'm one step ahead of you. I'm ready drawing I'm already done drawing the pants and the shirts.
Yeah, go.
And
Wow, cool. Oh, maybe you are drawing like a parade, like Halloween parade or something like that.
yeah, it's like Halloween.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm still learning how to draw an ice cream. Ice cream is easy to draw.
Yeah, you can draw somebody holding an ice cream and try to lick it.
There is a worker in here. See, there's. Yay, I finally can draw an ice cream.
Yay! Don't forget, some of them are wearing a bag, a sling bag like this, or maybe they're holding a camera because maybe they want to document everything with their camera, like take photo, selfie, wiki, or something like that. And then what else?
I'm drawing them on a.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll draw the tray for buying things.
Okay. Oh, I think I get some idea. Yeah, this one is in the station. I'm going to draw the train that's behind that. Okay, Ruth, did I answer your question? Ruth, did I answer your question, or you have another question? You can just ask me.
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you think? Why are you guys joining the train, the drawing train like this? Why?
Because you guys, I mean, like, we are practicing how to draw, so like.
What do you think, Ruth? Sorry, the camera.
So my answer is we have to train and practice and also try. If it's wrong, we try again and again and again.
Yeah, that's why you guys are lucky because you use your time wisely and positively, not like other kids. They just only like playing without learning something. And then, can you found the benefit of these activities, Ivo?
I have a question.
Yes, go.
Why do some of the people sometimes know how to draw like us, but a little bit real lifey? It's because they're already trained. They practice so much.
I'm sorry, I do not really focus on your question. Can you repeat it again, Ivo? What do you mean?
She said, "Why do people can draw very like real life?"
Realistic?
Because they train and practice very lot.
Yeah, Ivo, if you notice, if you learn how to draw every time, you will be able to draw that things. Okay, it's like you mastering yourself in one skill. Okay, if you keep on drawing like Mr. R like this, I'm sure that in the future you can draw even more realistic. Okay, if you if you want Mr. R to teach you how to draw realistically, later there is a step. Okay, there will be a.
There's not much time.
Yeah, it will took so much time to finish the realistic one. That's why I just want you to enjoy your age now to draw some cartoon or something like this. Yeah. All right. Now I think I changed my mind to not. Oh, yeah, it's okay lah.
I am done with the children.
Cool. Can I see that?
Wait,
Ruth, can you put it close to the camera, please?
I need
Show
to
it.
do this first.
Show it, please, first.
I made
Yeah.
a bee.
Wow, good job, Ruth. Good job. Come on, keep on going. Now, Ruth, you have to think about the background, yeah? You have to put all these people in some scene, some situation where they can uh, like doing something inside, I mean indoor, inside the one place or something like that. Okay, Ruth?
I want to make a park.
Okay, it can be a park.
I want to draw the birds first.
Okay, that's really a good idea. In the park. How about you, Alithia? Are you drawing something in the park also? Or in the mall or what?
No, I'm making a museum with
Can I
famous
see? Oh, can I see
with
your
the
drawing?
famous drawings or painting.
Okay, I'm going to follow you also. I will just change it. I will just put some paint behind it. Can I see your
Yes.
picture? Yes. Wow, cool, Alithia. Thank you. All right.
Where is Mona Lisa?
Yeah, thank you for showing us. You just give me a lot of inspiration to draw like you also. So I draw the frame behind. This is the painting, and this person all is visiting the.
It's a supermarket, so I'm gonna draw many
How
food.
about you, Ifo? Are you drawing something like in the park or what?
I am going to make 100 people in this ice cream store.
Oh, cool, 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 cool.
Because the ice cream is the most yummiest in the world.
You need to draw
All right. Yeah.
This is a
Don't
park.
forget to share also to us, yeah, before your drawing, so that maybe we can get
People in the
some
building,
inspiration from you.
not in the park. People indoor.
Okay, now Mr. Ali is drawing the painting behind.
People indoor means like people inside a building or like in a house, inside the room.
Yeah,
Not in the park. That's
I'm
okay.
going to draw a cup.
yeah, I think I'm done. And then I need to paint it now. And then guys, I hope that
There,
all this lesson will enrich,
Another building.
yeah,
there
enrich
is
your
not much
knowledge,
time left.
enrich your knowledge how to draw random things in one paper. Yeah. Have you ever showed it to your teacher, Ruth or Alithia, your drawing, your painting?
I ever showed to my teacher.
And then what is his comment or her comment?
She liked it.
Just like it? They do not say it like wow or something like that? No? They do not impress with your painting?
Wow, Ruth, you're so diligent like that.
Yeah. See that? One teacher just comment positively about your drawing. It means that you are guys one step ahead from your friend. Or maybe some of your friends are also doing a training like this also in another place. That's why.
I have good news and bad news.
What is that?
The good news is that everyone can show their pictures to their teachers. The bad news is I cannot because my school is shut down.
Oh, but you are study every day, right? You meet your teacher every day, right?
Uh,
Through online.
I don't do online because they shut down the school.
Oh my God. So you don't study every day, Ivo?
Well, I study every single day, and sometimes I'm tired. And also, I forgot to tell you, I made a story.
Oh, cool. What story is that? Is that the horror story or what?
It is named How to Take Care of a Unicorn.
Wow, that was interesting.
I already heard that.
Well, before there, uh, well, in case if you didn't notice, Thea's mom is a teacher.
Oh,
Ah,
is it true,
When
Tia?
she was a little kid, she was very smarty.
Yeah,
no, you were Kylie. You
yeah.
were.
Is it true that your mommy is a teacher?
My mommy was a teacher too, but only in one second. She's tired of being a teacher, so that's why she created me.
Oh, okay then. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a nice fact. I mean, a nice story. Okay, done. Please, after you're done, I want you to not wasting your time. It's time for us to color it. Remember that every time you
Wait,
draw something,
I'm not yet done.
yeah, I'm just trying to say that whenever you draw something, you have to be responsible to finish it.
I forgot how to draw a girl.
Oh, you just put some hair, right? Like this one. Just put like a long hair at behind, or maybe like tie the hair on the left and the right side. Don't stop. You have to always use your brain to think creatively about something.
What did you use?
Yeah, Alithia, are you done?
No, I'm just gonna paint now.
Okay, cool. Yeah, Mr. R also wants to prepare the paint and the brush. Yeah, wait, I'm going to get.
Wait, drawing. Remember me, nothing is perfect.
Yeah, be careful.
Just
I
your,
mean, not be careful. I mean, attention that everybody, you have to use gradient color,
just your
gradation.
first time, Ifo.
Yeah,
Remember,
what is that?
it's just first time, Ifo.
Okay, well, how about your story, Ivo, about the unicorn thing?
Uh,
Is it done already or still in progress?
I made a book, and it's still a project for me.
It's still on
So
progress.
I will tell you the whole entire story. There was a girl named Sila. She saw a unicorn. She thought it was sick. She was right. The unicorn was sick.
Yeah,
Sila decided to take the unicorn home. She
yeah,
take care of it. Her sister named Lily is a unicorn take carer. She knows how to take care of all kind of sick unicorns.
no, it's broken.
And then Sila said, I got this, sis. And then, as you didn't notice, Sila is a little sister and she has a big sis, which is Lily.
yeah. I think. I mean, my question is, you write it down or you just what? You try
I
to make a
just
book,
write it
right?
down.
You try to make a story
Love.
book, right?
I write it down and then anyways, go back to my story. And then her sister was surprised. Her sister watched Sila take care of the unicorn. When the unicorn was thirsty, Sila take a bowl.
All right, you can continue to. I mean, you can still continue tell us about your story, Ivo, but please, your hand is also need to
Just
work.
have to paint.
Yeah, come on, we need to paint it, and time is ticking, everybody. So
I also have the story.
yeah,
There's no time left.
one by one. Okay, now it's Ruth's time. Ruth turns to tell the story. Come on, Ruth. What is your story? But still, your hands need to be still working. Yeah, Ruth. Ready? 1, 2, go.
So the story is about the lost child.
And then,
The lost child.
yeah, come on. We are listening.
So once upon a time, there was a little girl named Kylie. She was the she was the quickest girl in the ever town, and she was brave. When she got bigger and bigger, she got lost in a forest, but she never gave up. When she saw a little flower, it was poisonous. She ate it, and then something really happened. Mom and dad just already passed away, but she was still brave. She can live by herself.
And then,
And then, well, this is fairy tale. And then when she went back home, she felt something tickly in her head, and she had something very bad.
what is
She,
that?
she was going she was going to be in This is good news actually. He was going to be in junior high school.
Oh, okay.
When she got there, he saw one friend. He saw someone hurting the new friend. The name is called Clara. Oh, she was she was brave enough, and she said, "Go away, don't hurt her." When she and then when she met her, she was still shy. And then she hold her hand and tell about the world. She also tell about fairy tales. That's the end.
What a sad and happy ending.
Wait, Mr. Owl, did you hear my story?
Oh, you did.
I think Mr. Owl is calling someone because I hear the sound of the handphone from downstairs. So yeah.
Because the Fanka and Mr. Al is a family.
What?
I'm serious.
Me and Mr. Owl. So was that a sad story?
Yeah. Oh, I have another story. It is named The Three Lost Child.
Okay.
Big Bad Wolf.
That was the little pig again.
No, that was not the little piggy. Upon a time there was three child.
What is the name?
One of the child is a girl, and her name is
Sorry
Silly,
guys, I just have
because she
got
was so
some phone.
silly.
Okay, Mister. Did you pay attention to the story?
And then
Yeah, go.
and then the next child is a boy, and the boy was named
Siapa namanya?
Kindness because he was so kind.
Okay, and then?
And then the last child was a girl, and
Wow.
her name was Fluffy because she liked it all the fluffy stuffs.
Okay.
One day, their family go away and then say, "Kids, be careful. Remember not to open the door when there's a stranger." And then the kids say, "Okay." And then their mother also said one more thing. Oh, and also don't forget, don't go out because there might be a stranger kidnapping you. Their mother said. And then their parents go away. And then their kids promise her mother. And then Silly says, "Let's go play." And then Kindness says, "Yes, let's go." And then Fluffy says, "I don't know, let's go take a short walk at the forest." And then Silly says, "But Mom says, don't walk at the forest. You might get lost."
And
then Fluffy said, "It's okay. We know our way home." So they decided to walk at the forest. One day, they became lost and then they don't know what to do. And then Silly says, "I told you this would happen, Fluffy. This wasn't a good idea." And then Fluffy says, "But we're still gonna explore, right?" And then Kindness said, "Watch out, there's a big bad wolf." And then they scream, "Ah!" And then they hurry running. they could run as fast as they can. But they weren't gonna make it their way home because they were lost.
All right.
And then the big bad wolf said, "Where are you going?" And then they said, "We are going back home, you naughty wolf." They were brave, but one thing they weren't going to do is run. They were going to protect themselves from the big bad wolf. They thought they can, but they were wrong. They can't. The big bad wolf
Yeah, I cannot.
ate them before they could say another word.
Yeah, I cannot wait to.
And then their parents say, "You big bad wolf, where did our kids go?" And then when the big bad wolf didn't tell them, the parents hit the big bad wolf's head with a shovel.
What? Okay, and then?
So he put their kids out from the big bad wolf's child.
Oh,
They didn't die.
yeah.
And then their mother and then their family said, "Are you okay?" And then they said, "We're fine. Fluffy told us to go out to the woods," said
Okay,
Silly.
yeah.
So
Thanks
they
God.
go back home.
Thanks God that the kids are all safe, yeah? Not to get eaten by the big bad wolf. That's one.
That was
Right.
a sad
Now
story.
it's time for Alithia to tell some story, and the rest will be listening. Don't forget, guys, you also need to keep on working with your hands, okay?
Color now.
Yeah, color everything, please. This one is really.
I don't have a story.
Oh, just a short story that you may be heavy. I
Okay.
believe that you have sometime you also read some book, right? Maybe you still remember one story, Alicia.
No.
How about your story with your friend, maybe? Some funny things?
What is that?
Try to think about some funny moment with your friend. Then you can tell us the jokes that you made with your friend, maybe in your class, or maybe in your.
I'm sorry. I can't remember.
How about you tell the story about when Giovanna and you call us? Call me, I bet.
Yeah, probably you can tell that story.
No, I just have a story that my mom just told me.
Okay, what is that? Come on. You're not.
It's called a magical paper and magical brush. So there was a girl named Julie. She was a good drawer and she likes to paint.
Mhm.
And she was like very poor that she cannot buy any paper. So she started to like she just like things about like I don't know some uh
And then.
on the sand, like just something on the sand with her finger.
Mhm.
And then someone gave her a brush and a paper, and she said that she was happy, and she said, "Ooh, what should I paint?" And she's, "Ooh,
Wait. I had some calling from somebody. I'm
okay,
going to continue.
oh wait."
Boy, is someone a stranger?
What is that?
No way. Mr. won't call a stranger suddenly.
Or maybe it's one of his, I don't know, workout friend. He's still calling.
Yeah. I can still see his leg.
What the?
It looks awkward.
Oh, wait. What the?
His leg is right over there. It's right over there.
Oh, I can see that.
And there's the hand. I see his hand.
Yeah, I'm done.
Seriously? What? Were you calling the whole entire time? Well, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, who's okay now? Oh, yeah, Alithia, you can continue. Tell the story.
So what is it? After she got the paper and the magic brush, then she said like, what should I paint? Then she's like, maybe I should go to the pond. And she went to the pond and she saw a duck in it. She said, oh, I will draw a duck. When she drew a duck, there was a real duck and when there was a real duck, like here from her paper.
And
Then she said like, a real duck? Then she said that, maybe I should help some poor people. Then she helped a lot of people who were poor. Then one time, a soldier bring Julie to the king, and Julie was so brave that, and when she was talking, she was like, "I'm not going to give something to the king." And then when she was there, the king told her to draw a tree of money, of the fruits are money. Then she said, no, I'm not going to draw for rich people. I'm only going to paint only for poor people. Then the king said, daughter, put her down. And when she was in the cell, she still had her paper and brush. Then she paint a key, then paint a horse. When the king was on security, he was like, oh my gosh, so I'll catch you. Then Julie was getting chased by the king. Then Julie quickly drew a big hole was so deep. Then the king fell into it and she was safe and sound. The end.
wow, it's a nice story and interesting. Yeah, thank you so much, Alithia, for sharing with us the really interesting story.
Now is it Ivanka's turn? She hadn't even tell a story yet.
Come on, Devanka, now it's your turn.
Sorry, because
Well, something fun with your friend or your first time doing the semester exam or something like that.
Oh yeah, semester exam. Yeah. Today I was doing semester exam and like
You have some like funny things happen when you have a semester exam or what?
I don't know, but like in your test, no, it's not today's semester exam. It's like last week's test and the Arabics test. You remember Roughly, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's a boy and he accidentally turned on his mic and we hear Roughly is cheating by talking to his umba.
Mm-hmm.
He's cheating because like his umba is like, what is this? This is blah 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 blah. I'm like, right? I want to say that Ralphie is cheating, but like I'm scared if I say it. so I didn't say.
Okay. Thank you, Devanka, for sharing your story. Yeah, now I'm going to ask Ruth, yeah? And then don't forget, guys, you're still working with your hand. Ruth, is it okay for the students to cheat sometime?
What?
Is it okay for the student to cheat sometime in the class? Like watching somebody else answer and then they're trying to copying something. Is it okay?
Mm, no, if they cheat, then the teacher will be angry, of course.
Yeah. Are you happy if your friend is cheating on you?
No.
Yeah. Okay. How about you, Ivo? Are you okay with somebody who always like cheating in everything?
I don't know.
Hmm? Ivo,
No.
you like to watch your friend is always cheating on you in every lesson? No?
No.
Yeah. How about you, Alithia? Are you agree that if all the kids can cheat in every lesson?
When we were going to do a bit hard, the
Sorry for the ambulance.
hard work,
Mm-hmm.
when we are done with the I don't know what you call that, what do you call that again? The focalizers? The focalizers that the eye. Then we follow when I was in grade one. My teacher said that you not cheat, just you cheat you students, and we said okay. Then no, someone almost
Nasi kucing.
dead. Then
Tapi the ice cream store itu like that's allowed.
Okay,
then
Alithia, have you ever cheat on?
no.
How about you, Devanka? Have you ever cheat in your life?
No way! I won't ever cheat. If I ever cheat, oh my gosh, the teacher will know, and the principals will know.
Okay. So, Devanka, I have a question. Maybe this one is very hard for you to answer. Okay, like this. You know that your friend is not really good in that particular lesson. You want to help them, and then suddenly, automatically, you just give your books to that person, and then they will
Ini dikasih ini.
copy everything. Is it okay to sometimes be nice to your friend to giving them a like giving the answer, your answer to them?
It's not outside. Yeah, I would always, I would do that. Actually, I didn't do that, but I think I will do that in the future.
Is it okay if we give our answer to our friend so that maybe they will feel happy? Ruth, is it okay if we give our answer to our friend so that maybe your friend will be happy because of your action?
No, because they will know.
Mm-hmm. No. How about you, Alithia? Is it okay if we give some of our answer said to your friend? Maybe
No,
why?
Why?
because I don't want to cheat because maybe the teacher will know.
Yeah.
When one day I forgot my book,
And then
and then I asked my friends to help me watch the answers because I forgot my book.
you get the answer? No?
No, I didn't get any grades
Yeah, yeah, okay.
because I have to write it on my my book tema.
Wow. You know what? Surprise thing is now I'm done. See that?
I'm already done too.
Wow, cool guys. Yay.
I mean, I I tell someone the answer, like they help. What is the answer of this? And then I tell the answer. But that's in online classes and Google Hangouts. Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Okay, who's done? Who's almost done? Who's nearly done? Wow, Alithia almost done.
Me done. What?
Yeah,
I'm almost done. Just need to color the purple person. People.
okay, I will be waiting then.
Mr. Al,
Yeah,
I have another story.
yeah. How is it? You wanna tell us your story?
The rainbow unicorn.
Okay, go. Ready? 1, 2, go.
So, once upon a time, there was a rainbow unicorn. She didn't have any She didn't have any mom or dad. She was alone. And then there was uh there was one person.
Sorry, Ruth, we cannot hear your voice.
Oh really?
Yeah, okay, go. Now we can hear that. Keep on going.
Make it louder.
Yeah.
So when she saw one unicorn, she was the most beautiful one, but it was that bad unicorn.
Yeah. Then.
Then when she met her again, he just teased her and 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 he said, "No, no, here eat cats," and that wasn't nice, very nice. And the rainbow unicorn just get away from her.
Okay.
And then when she met someone that was very, very, very ugly, she was actually kind of shy. Because she never wants to go to school again. Because she never wants anyone to laugh at her. But when met her, she was shy of her. When she looked at her, she didn't even laugh. Stared and stared and stared at her. When it was the time to go home, she forgot. Her school paper was left at home. So she said, "Nah, I will do my homework in my house." And when Gertie went home, the house was very, very, very big. What dirty house! I need to clean it up. Where's the mop? And when she was looking for the mop, she found it. It was a
Yeah.
rainbow mop, her favorite one. So when she picked it up, the floor became rainbowy. And she wondered if a rainbow mop, if someone could paint on her rainbow mop. Well, she didn't know what to do. So she just wiped with water.
Okay.
And then when she wanted to go to the park, she saw a poor little pony.
Mm-mm.
And she was covered with dust. She was hurt, and we don't know her name here. So when she brought her home, he washed her, and then she cleaned up her wounds. And then he bought a lovely pony clothes for her. She looked cute on it. And when it was time to go to school again, he, he wants the fool to go to the preschool because there was a preschool in her school.
Okay.
And he put her there. She was still shy, but she kind of liked it, and she was brave now. So when permission to the teacher. Yes,
I'm done.
please.
Ini gak ditulis nama tokonya.
Okay.
Ini masih putih.
When she found a slide, then she slide out, and everything she did was done.
Okay, thank you so much, Ruth, for sharing. Actually, by telling the story, you guys just recalling all your memories, and then you're also increasing your vocabularies, and then you become more confident because you just practicing English automatically. Okay, now I think. Oh, Alithia just give you a thumbs up. Ruth, it means that you have doing a good job. You're just telling us the interesting story. And also Evo, thank you Evo for the thumbs. Thank you Alithia for the love. Okay, who wants to present first? Ready?
Not me.
Alithia or Devanka? Okay, Alithia or Devanka?
Me.
Alithia, you.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, go. Alithia and
Rock,
Devanka.
paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I pick a number.
To me first.
Okay, okay,
I
Devanka.
just pick a number 3.
Okay, after this, please be prepared, Alithia. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my. It's after that. Hi, this is my drawing, and the background is white because, like, yeah, I made it white. I want it white.
What is that?
And the people are white because I don't have the color peach. I'm scared if I mix the color, I don't have the color anymore. So yeah. And there are 2 workers in here. This one is the first worker. This one is the second worker.
And then?
And there's ice creams in here.
Mm-hmm.
And there is orange. It's free. 3 oranges.
And then?
There's drinks in here, inside here.
What is the special thing from your picture, Devanka, from your drawing?
They are in a crowd.
So where is the hardest part that you think is very hard for me to draw?
The hardest part is to draw the ice cream stall.
Okay, how you solve your problem?
I draw like a waning line, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then I draw a line like this on the upper side of the button part. And then I draw a line like this again. And then I just draw the thing, the line in here.
Are you happy with your drawing, Devanka?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay, thank you so much, Devanka, for sharing. Now I think you need to stay for a while because we're going to support our friend Alithia. Alithia will trying to explain about her painting. Yeah, ready, Alithia?
That
1, 2, go.
Wow. Hello, my name is Olivia, and this is my painting. So over here, this one is glitching by the background. So this is a museum. There in the museum, there is these famous paintings. This one is Mona Lisa. It's an Italian painting.
Yeah.
This one is a starry night by this person right here who is covered by this Asian. I forgot the name. What was that again?
Yeah.
It's called Van Gogh.
Mm-hmm.
And these are 7 people in the museum. So this guy's wearing a green backpack and it's glitch with the background.
Yeah.
He has a yellowish, right? Color green, and he has brown pants and orange hair.
Yeah.
This
Then,
guy has a
okay.
brown.
Which one? Which is the? Where is the hardest part of your painting?
By drawing one of these painting behind them.
Okay. How you solve your problem, Alithia? How you solve your problem?
I just stop, but one of them, when like one of their heads.
Yeah. What is the special thing from your painting? What is the special things from your painting? What do you think?
Famous painting.
Oh, you think that your painting looks special because you draw the Mona Lisa, the Starry Night behind that? Yeah, yeah. I think that is the point that I really love from your painting. Yeah, because you draw the detail really nice. Draw the Mona Lisa, and you also tell the story about the Starry Night. I think I give you 2 thumbs up. Alithia, thank you so much. Yeah, for sharing. Do you have anything to share? Are you happy with the result?
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Yeah, yeah,
thought I thought this one was not gonna be glitch.
yeah. It's okay. Alithia, you know what? Your drawing now becoming more good, yeah, from time to time, and I'm so happy to see your progress. Keep up the good work, okay, Alithia? Don't give up to always drawing something. Yes?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, my turn.
I give you 2 thumbs up and then a claps and then a love sign, which means
Okay. Okay.
okay, now we have Ruth and Ivo. Ivo, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, if you're ready, show your drawing and you show your painting and tell us the story.
This is a special ice cream store. It has fruits and vegetables.
Wow, cool.
So this is my painting, and this is orange. I don't know why it's a little bit weird.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the thing that you usually use to cook with.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the seller that sells at the ice cream
Wow,
store.
cool. Yeah.
So you need to notice that sometimes I forgot to paint this. Sometimes I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
And it's okay. It's like white. It's like a plain white table.
Mm-hmm.
But if you turn off the lights, it will glow in the dark.
Yeah, and then?
And then this is the one that you already noticed what it is. I forgot what it is.
Okay, what is that?
I have no idea what it is.
It's a pineapples tree or something?
It's not a tree apples, not a tree. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is
What's
apple?
that?
No, apple is not a stem. And if and this is more different than apple because it don't have a brown stem. I think this is like an eggplant. Let's just call it a vegetable plant.
Oh, so funny.
There's 3 vegetable plants. One of them is very light, one of them is darker, one of them is dark and white.
Yeah.
So this guy has ice cream. It's very delicious.
Okay.
And there's a seat for everyone because they can share. And these guys are doing a vegetable and a fruit.
Okay. Did you found any problem in your drawing, in your painting, Ivo? Fun.
Yeah.
Which one that you think is very hard for you to draw?
It's very hard to draw teeny tiny things and then paint it with my big old brush.
Okay, how? How you solve your problem?
Well, I tried using some small brush and it worked. And
Yes.
it looks pretty this way.
Yeah, I can get your point that you are using the small brush to solve your problem. That is the tips. Okay. Thank you so much, Ifo. You want to say something?
Uh-huh.
Are you happy with that?
Yep. And also I forgot to tell that this is special markers.
Wow, Mr. I
This
want to
has
know that.
them.
Is that
See?
the price? Is that the price from your mommy?
No, it's just some markers. Look. See? And also
Wow, it's a nice marker. Oh, stamping. Yeah. That's nice. Okay. Now, Ivo, thank you so much. Okay, Alithia, do you want to give something to Ivo? I think I will give claps first, and then a thumbs, and then a love sign, and a
oh my
happy.
god. Christmas is almost here. You should
Yeah.
send to your friends and family.
Yeah, we're going to draw a Christmas later on, yeah? How about Ruth? Now, Ruth, I think,
Merry Christmas.
Ruth, are you ready to present?
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay if it is not done yet, but at least you try to present it. Ready? Now, Alithia, Ivo, and Devanka eyes on the screen. We have to watch Ruth presenting.
Drawing.
Wow, cool, man.
So I draw the buildings and I drew the glass and the birds and I drew some balloons and
Mhm.
some kites. So I named this a city. The people with I drew the people um with colorful clothes. And I draw the color is rainbow. And I haven't drawn anything and I draw the grass.
Okay,
The grass.
and then
I draw the backpacks, but I haven't drawn this one, and also the ground. So
which
that's
yeah, which one is the hardest part, Ruth?
the hardest part is uh the hardest part is with the water. It
Oh,
is
how you solve your problem then when you finding some hardest part in your painting?
if there's water, I just wipe it with tissue.
What? Sorry?
If there is water, I just wipe it with tissue.
Oh, you solve your problem by wiping with the tissue, yeah. Okay, are you happy overall with your painting?
Mm,
Not really, or just a little bit?
I give you 1,000,000 hundred score, Ruth, because you're my most bestest friend in the world.
Yeah. You know, Ruth, you know what? Your drawing, actually, Mr. R was surprised because you draw the background very detailed, yeah? With the windows and everything. You draw it by yourself, that one?
yes.
Oh, cool. My God, that's really cool. You know what, Ruth, you are already creating the best or masterpiece for today's lesson, okay? I really impressed with a lot of detail, windows and all the building. Where you get that idea?
I think she get it in their brain.
Remember, I have heads.
Mm-hmm. Where you get
I
the
also
idea?
get my idea.
No. I mean, where do you get the idea that you draw the people in the park with the cities, landscape at the background? Where you get the idea? You just think about it?
Yeah, I think about it.
Okay. Have you ever watched
I think
some?
Ruth is the winner.
Yeah, everyone is a winner, I think. Yeah, that's good, guys. You have already shown your best effort and your best skill in drawing. All right, that's it. If you don't have any question, maybe we have to end this.
Yeah.
And we're going to, yeah, we're going to meet again next
Yeah,
time.
I wanna eat. I wanna eat. I'm hungry.
Okay, thank you so much, Ruth. Take a rest. Bye bye, everybody. See you again next time. Yeah. Oh.